Minister of Health and Family Welfare and also with the officials from the health department, we put forth certain issues regarding the MBBS, BAMS and BHMS quota. We can see, everybody can understand, even a layman can understand that this quota list is flawed. In the sense that students, in the past it was practice that students in the Kasih Jaintia category can also be in the open category. This will create more opportunities for the natives, for the Kasih Jaintia and the Garos of Meghalaya. Because if a Kasih Jaintia can get into the open category means open for everyone from Meghalaya. If they can get in the open category, then students from the waiting list of Kasih Jaintia will get into the selected Kasih Jaintia category. And this is not only with MBBS but also with BAMS and BHMS. So we had a thorough deliberation with the officials of the government, and finally the government agreed that this should be changed in accordance with what we have been demanding and in accordance of what was practiced in the past. Although they did mention that a certain clause of the standard operating procedure, that clause 9.6, which mentioned that a student can opt for either open or reserve category. Now, asking a student to opt for such categories is like putting a noose around their necks. You see, because a student will always choose a category that will increase his or her chance of getting a seat. There is only 15% open and 40% Kasih Jaintia, 40% Garo. So naturally a student will opt for 40% because his chances are high. And this in turn will debar all the students from getting seats in the Kasih Jaintia or Garo category. So we are demanding from the government that a certain clause of the SOP should be scrapped, and they said that they will look into the matter.
Regarding
two non-tribal students, one number 13, one is number 14. We are asking the government that the number one student in the selected Kasih Jaintia category should be number 13 in the open category. And that number 13 in the open category should be serial number 14 in the open category. So they are agreeing to that.
we have seen
Agree, but serial number will be changed to 14. Number 13, number 1 from selected Kasih Jaintia Garo will come. And waiting list, 2 people in the waiting list. There are 8 students in the selected Kasih Jaintia category. They should be replaced by those 8 students who have higher need score than them. However, even though those students from the selected Kasih Jaintia category, if they are in the waiting list of the open category, they will still be there in the Kasih Jaintia category, selected Kasih Jaintia category, because that is the procedure that has been followed in the past.